warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back with me, Cinta, from 3ICT3 of Minubujang Sidoarjo. Today I will make a delicious beverage, and the name is strawberry smoothie. Okay, come on, let's make it. To make strawberry smoothie, of course, we need some ingredients. And the ingredients are 200 grams of strawberry, 100 milliliters of strawberry milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 200 milliliters of yogurt. And this is the step. First, put all the ingredients into a good blender. Blend perfection and wear away. And pour into the glass. And also you can add some strawberry slice on the top. Okay, a delicious strawberry smoothie ready to serve. So delicious. And did you know the benefit of strawberry smoothie? Strawberry smoothie is good for our body because strawberries are rich of fiber, vitamin, and antioxidants. They are among top 20 most antioxidant-rich fruit. And did you know that in addition to helping control blood sugar, strawberry smoothie can lower your chance of developing cancer and heart disease. Okay, it's all for today.